Ka Employment Monitoring Cell jong ka St. Khasi Student Union bat kinongilam jong ka North Khasi Hills District Unit menta ka arpo nyaw tarik uno pra arjar po sao kilahiar ka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science umyam bani kendu ia udin jong ka college. Henry Martin yo jingtep ba udin ulap het na ka college da ka ba uang ba udan siya Guwahati kani ka panlong ka seng bakan Khang ka Ophis ka jong u bat markum tahi ulawan poy siya ka college. Usamla Ruben Najiat, Assistant General Secretary kam Chairman Employment Monitoring Cell KSU CEC, uloong baka jingdawa jong ka seng ka long halor ka jingpenlong exam thong kam jong ka Lower Division Clerk, bat ka Upper Division Clerk baka College ka labo, ya ka Exam Center siya Guwahati, bat ka ni kan penjenjar ki samla wat kam man late thoi ki exam syate, kam tami ki tu ki bawan na ka long yeng ka badok. Uloong baka seng ka suba jor bada kabalik kumni kan pensok ikiwe ki banabar jala ki daw ki long baka advertisement la pelat nya duus nam arjar polai baka exam kala de ben tho ho July arjar po saw ha ki jaka ki baper ha omyam bat shlong. Henry la pen kan ria no ya kan ni bat la bu no ban long sha Guwahati ha ka lai bat south rik jong kala lingkot arjar aposan. Kaba pensngo phala ka long baki brio nagaro ki tho sha tura na Manipur ki tho sha Imphal bat kiwe ki jala ru ki le kumta Henry ki khasi pat la pa ban tho sha Guwahati. Kani kala pensngo bitare ka seng bat kala hiaru ban yekuren man arpo artarik uno pra arjar po saw bat kala bu ru ka jing tho Henry na kalyang jong udin bat UVC jong ka CAU kim shimla le bat ki pen e bet kabala penlong ka seng bakan hiar biang menta kasni. Kajing yekuren kam shimla long ka barenti namar udin shim kwa ban kubur re kajing bakla bat ban penbet baka exam kan long bet ha umyam bat ha shilong kabala penlong ye ka seng bakan be no yu na college balada shim penbet ye kan ni ka kam na kalyang jong ka seng kan sha sho yu ban long kum udin jong ni ka college bat ban yu ka jatru ha ka jala.
Glogari, maju brand. Glogari, yes you kena bali. Yes you kena bali. Yes you kena bali.
Yes, no, leave now. We'll leave now. I'm telling you. Do not make us take the steps, please leave. Yes, I talked in front of them with our honorable Vice Chancellor, BRD, everything done. Because conducting exam.
Mentara sini rajan miet nak kaliang ka employment cell jong ka KSU bat kinong ulam jong ka North Khasi District nilawan ki kendu udin kadai halor kamat jong ka exam thungkam ka badi jong ka LD bat UD ka ba ka center ki penhap syapo Guwahati kani ka advertisement la polat nyadus nam arja arkulai bat jisha ka exam kala ali ban de hubnai Julai arja akusa Henry nak kita berkam tuntip kita postpone ke exam sya Januari lai tarik buat tahun Januari kat kum ka admit kat ki berem ki pi ba ka exam di bantu apa UC College menta pat how new ka admit kat ka bathmai ngi pa ki ai ka center sipo Guwahati kani ni tu bakat ku suba ka di ban penyarap ya kat tu kan ningut ki we ki break badin ki we pagi jela bat pensuk ki bakila bantu ka exam buat pendu ini kiran kumbasan hajar ngut kikan tiba apply nak yang jungi laong ba kumno ba ki kena apa ki hab kin tho exam syo Guwahati wat la ka office ko nang ni yang scam ba ako nong rem ba ka exam da kali ban tho be hapo umyam dam la ban pendap ha ni ha hapo kan college itu ban page kiwi kum jule kiwi institute makapur kani yang UI ka juja nak por sakapur bat ki central universities ki bawan chane ni ka jingja hanigram ka talat kam ki phato sha Guwahati kani ka penjenjar ya bun ngut ki pardo parsnam ki ban lik ban tho exam sha Guwahati khamtam itu ki bawan la kalong ka buduna nomor ba ban lik tho exam sti ka bai kali ka bai boro ka bun ka jinglut but onda lik tho exam sti ru ka wa dik centers ki ba pher ki brik poi poi ka jingjar ki ru ti nilai ikram ni kita kimat ki boro but ka ba kham so phla kalong ba kibriu ki bana Imphal ki ok tho exam sha Imphal buat ki bana tura ru ki ok tho exam sha tura na Assam ki ok tho Guwahati Henry tang ki badi hab na po umyam pat ki hab sha Guwahati kani kadon ki bangi tip bakadon ki Syndon ko aban tap ki kibriu jong na kaliang ni lai karan udin rei ulong bapen ni yang scam ba lada unumla ban pentikana baka exam kadon kan long hapo hani hapo umyam ne hapo shulong te kamut ba umde umdan hok re ban bat kum udi uang ai daw ni ba umdan kabor ban le kata kawan dut nya po vice chancellor na po infal henry hadin pat uang ba na po vice chancellor ai kabor skidin boro tang hating yakran ru ngilas tu ba kidon ki kiba yale ban buri anta indi tang kini kimat kitang bunchu kimat kiba kani ka college ka bun ka jingde kundum kundram ka tungkam tungcam bat kini ki boro in sawan ra hadin henry ya ka bumentahi kwa ba kani ka examination jongka eli bajudi ka di ban long hasulong ba lada kimla ban long hapo sulong ne hapo umyam te kamut minum ailat ba kini kanda kani ka exam sebo gohati namang ngitep hi lada ki kena jungi kali tho shite gohati kinum dan bapas namar ka don pa ka jingi subu juki ban thep ki beri ki jongki bana asam ban wan tre hapo kani ka jala bat kani ka jala ji kamde kum dasben ba kiwi borok kin wan yo employment ni ni pe kani college mon kapor di hak academic admission ru bun ki bayo ki banabar wala ka don ka reservation ka don ka kota jungi ru jula kinju pendap ki ai bi ki banabar kini labun sing lawan ba kadi ka jingle juni udin hi na kapor sa kapor tingi menta ni ada betul ye ni lawan ya keren ni lele ban penbej jadi kamsi so kata ka jingi keren ka jungi ni ong bi kawai lada umla ban pentikna dan bor ban ra kata examination center shani te kam dei hokhi ban don ni ban tri ban bat udin ban tri hani apo ni ong no ba lik no cha na ibu wan bat don kam ra ban wan tuklar hapo kani ka jela ka ju
ego ga khang
kum batai nilai bu bangi ong bangi nilai bu ka citi ka jungi naru art flighter nilai kendu swa ka taru nilai ban kendu marsun te pi ka chef ya examination center ha to ka por ngilawan ngila ai da ka jingtho ngila batai baki jingi ki babunjan baki kena jungi kimma la da ki tho exam ko gohati ila shim ka ta ka jingtho andre watla naru art flighter ngila ai sim la le ila ong bangi wan kendu intasni marsun te bangi ong bangi wan kendu marmar ula phet uang budan segohti marsun Khang Tala ya ka Ophis ka juku apo 8% menit lawan position ni te kata ka iki ka peni ula thok uskor kamdon i kum kata ni thok skor usu yele tang ban bandili ya kapo marte hakikat to kan sing ka sakhang no kayu sakhang no college tingla bani kendu inu nuru bat laiteri kala dan exam te ki kan ka exam kanya te de halor kata kan nguram ni ong ba ada pentikna bakal exam kan chuni ya minum ailat wan kumudin hapo kanika college minta you are here not for the benefit of us you are here for the benefit of someone else no if you are working for someone else then why are you
we are giving as per government of
why
India,
are you letting our candidates
we are
write
giving
examination
students that for this kind of positions local will be given preferences.
how will they be given preferences when their examination have to be done in Guwahati? You don't understand that?
This is first phase and second phase. Skill test will be here. First phase is written.
If in the first phase only they are not being able to write,
get down,
if first phase only they are not able to write, then how will they go and go for the second
skill
phase?
test will be here.
You don't understand one thing. You don't have
I am
brains.
telling na second phase exam will be here. Skill test. If it is because of the number problem, it was taken.
Listen here. If you do not go and write the first phase examination, will you be selected for the second phase? Huh? You understand my
Definitely,
point?
good candidate will be selected. Why not?
Well, that's why I tell you, you are insensitive. You are not here for the benefit of the locals. Many of the people who apply for this job are coming from a financially weaker section. How will they afford to go to Guwahati and write the examination? Huh?
देखिए.
How will you will give them TEDA?
No,
give
this
them
is
TEDA.
national exam.
No, give them
This is
TEDA.
national exam. All over India, people are
National
coming.
exam. People from Manipur are getting to write that examination in Manipur. From Tura, they are getting to write in Tura. From Silchar, they are getting to write in Silchar. Guwahati, they are getting to write in Guwahati. Why people from Meghalaya have to write in Guwahati? Where is this? What is this place? This is Assam or Meghalaya?
This is Meghalaya.
So, the post of LD and UDC are for this office,
This
for
is
this
Central
college,
Agricultural
for this college.
University.
Then
Yeah,
why
this
will
college.
if I have to work here, why will I have to write the examination in Guwahati? See,
large
there's
number
no
of
point
candidates.
See, there's no point of talking large number of candidates. How many candidates are we talking about? 5,000 candidates. For DSC has been conducting exams for 20,000, 30,000. Well, how can we accommodate? I understand that this cannot fit all 5,000 candidates, but there are other universities also as well. There are other institutes as well. You can ask. Did you ask?
Yes, I went to
Only
ECT
three,
and others.
only three
If
college.
you did not get one, you go and
Only
ask
two.
two. Did you ask the help
That's
from the state
college.
government?
Go.
Christ College, you see, then,
And then?
I went to that Borapani campus.
And then?
all together did not
only
accommodate.
three. Only in Ripoy.
So
Why not in
What
Ilyas and
my
Kasih also?
what my request is, you just give me tomorrow's time.
No.
Tomorrow's
We
time.
met you on-
Let me discuss.
When will we
again.
meet you?
See,
2 days back.
I already conveyed.
Then now
your-
also. Then you
Sunil,
ask time
I
again.
Already I conveyed your message to our authority.
so within that time, what did you do? What did you come up with? Why do you have to come here and agitate? What did you do all this time?
Authority did any
Why you want to buy time?
thing comes,
Huh?
I will immediately intimate you.